Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. So today we're going to be making pumpkin punch, and we're going to be making pumpkin punch two ways. We're going to be making pumpkin punch with carrots and pumpkin punch. So in this bowl I have some cooked pumpkin and carrots, and in this one I have pumpkin. And the ingredients that I'm going to be using for the pumpkin and the carrot punch is peanut punch, a Guinness, some mixed spice, vanilla, ground cinnamon, some nutmeg and condensed milk. And then for the pumpkin punch I'm going to be using supplegen, a dragon, Irish moss and some molasses. And guys, you already know molasses is good for you. If you're anemic, molasses is good. If you have iron problem, molasses is good. Molasses is a good source of vitamins and minerals. And then we have some cinnamon that we're going to be putting in this one, some condensed milk the same, vanilla, nutmeg and mixed spice. So let's get started. And there you have it, guys. Pumpkin punch with carrot and pumpkin punch. Let me know in the comment section which you prefer. Do you prefer pumpkin punch with carrots or do you prefer just pumpkin punch? Thanks for watching. Bye.